Yeah. Hi. Hi, Karthik. We are going to do a demonstration how to do the production disassembly. Is it audible to you? Yeah. And this is FG what you have on 500 ml. What is the quantity for this one? 45. Okay. 45 is the quantity. Okay. In this process, we'll be converting one of the FG into what are the based on the BOM. We'll be converting into these raw material and pouch and the sticker. To do this, we'll open the SAP B1 and go to production order. Uh, Choose a type as a disassembly. Okay, and then uh, select your item code. Enter the plan quantity as a 45 units. Since this product is with you in WAP, right? So you have to give WAP. Okay. Based on your layout, which is WAP. Okay. And all the requirements for this FG will be automatically loaded. Can you check with this? The plan quantity is exactly correct, like 45 pages and the stickers at 45. Bilanagi what series? Okay. You can change the B1 if you want. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, we'll keep it in WAP only because we need to like this is a case of repacking, right? You need to reproduce it, right, by consuming these only. So we can't change one, like all should be unique. So we'll keep it to WAP only. Now, NHWAP, yeah? Okay. Yeah, yeah. You want me to do it? Yeah. Yeah. Once this is done, just add this, go back and release the status. Okay, once it is updated, just right click this and do the report completion. Here you need to choose which is the batch for this 45 quantity. If you fall below inventory and there you have a stock of all the batches. Which batch you are doing, just check like 45 quantity. Okay, this one. Okay, I think this should be the same. B22, B2, correct? Okay, just type your selected quantity. Just move just update. This is like you're issuing outside the system. This FG will be consumed and then go here. Receive components means receive these components like all your RM material. Getting my point? Yeah, yeah. And make sure your quantity is proper and then use that. And here you need to create the batch number for the all RM. Do you have any idea what are the RM batches? Yeah. What are the like under this? What all are raw materials which you use? You need to give a batch number. As of now, I'll just give underscore RP for all these. Going forward, you have to use. There is something called batch tracing in the inventory. Not select. Maybe forward batch trace or reverse batch trace to trace what where exactly is the material we use it for this production. If you know which sticker batch number, then you can enter. Currently, I'm just doing with the underscore RP because I didn't get you. Okay. This packing material you have to just discard it once in a while. Currently, let it be in yeah. Currently, let it be in WIP only because anyways you are discarding it, right? Yeah. We'll do on goods issue. Okay. That is added. So this is it. You can see the relationship map also. There will be a relationship map. And here you have a complete clear picture. Your production order. What is the receipt component? What did you issue? We issued one FG, okay, of 45 units, and we received these many components. All this and with the batches you wanted to know, you can right click and check the batch transaction report. You can see all the batches underscore, but we gave a same batch because since we don't have the batch details. If you have the batch details and what is the batch we use it for this FG, so you can put that. And from here you can do a normal production which you want using the same RM, discarding the all the bolts and batches. Yeah. RM is also in WAP. We can just do a normal production which you used to do earlier. Any doubts? Yeah. You can do it. This is it. This is what how to do repacking or change the production type to the disassembly. Yeah. Just type FGHN 0065. Yeah, this is the output warehouse, like input warehouse. Just you can press Control up arrow mark. Go below. Go to THWIP and just press Control up arrow mark. It's automatically. In this disassembly, you don't have to mention the goods issue batch. Okay. Yeah. Just release the production order out. Just add this one. First is report completion, and there is what you issue for the production. Just select yes. Yes to all also is fine. And give which batch you are using for this 218 component. 134 and 84. Yeah. C282C. Yeah, 134. Yeah. Just select that line and press and write. Yeah. Okay. Update. Yeah, yeah. Just add below. So this will issue if you consume the FG product. Just add below. Below there is an add option, no? Add this production. Yeah. Just to all. Yes. Yes. Just close it. And now you have to take the receipt component. Yeah. Add. Use the same batch if possible. FG batch you can use. There are two batches. Hello. Yeah. We'll figure out how to trace the which batch is used for that particular production. Hello. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can use that same batch number of that particular FG and underscore RP. Yeah. You take any one only. Like open your Excel. Yeah. Take the maximum one, like 134 batch. Yeah. No, no. Above one. See, you took the yeah, yeah, 84, but you choose 134 because it's having a high quantity. No, that is not required actually. You need to put the exact batch. If you put exact batch, then it will be easy to trace which material we use it for this part of production. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, add. Yes. Just, just to close. Just close. Yeah, yeah. I can check here. You can open that batch stock report. You can see underscore RP or the new items we created. Able to see, right? Yeah. Fine then. You also remember to put manufacturing date and expiry dates for it. Any dummy date is fine. I mean, exactly like what will be the when did you manufacture that raw material? Any more details you have? Okay, fine then. Yeah. Any doubts means you can reach out to me. Okay. Bye.